If a single large mammal towers over all the others, it's no doubt the giraffe. They call it the watchtower of the savannah. Giraffes are about 15 feet tall on average, but some males can grow to a height of 20 feet. In spite of its extraordinary length, the giraffe's neck has only 7 vertebrae like any other mammal. It's an odd animal in more ways than one. Funny-shaped horns that vary in number according to its age and sex adorn its huge cranium, which can weigh as much as 35 pounds. It takes a powerful heart to pump blood all the way up to the animal's brain, and the giraffe's heart pumps over 100 pints of blood a minute. Even its coat is like no other. Each animal has a different pattern by which it can be identified throughout its life, because the shape and number of the markings never change. This giraffe, whose coat seems to have been designed by an artist, is a reticulate giraffe, one of the 2 main species and certainly the most spectacular. It shares its East African territory with the zebra, another animal with very distinctive markings. Together with the donkey, the zebra is the only representative of the equine family to be found in Africa. In fact, the word for zebra in Swahili means striped donkey. These mammals are very gregarious creatures. The social bonds that bind a group together are expressed in a practice called grooming, where the animals bite each other's backs. Zebras often face in opposite directions, making it easier to spot danger, and they love to take a dust bath together. There's more to these apparently simple grassland creatures than meets the eye. Nobody has really come up with a convincing explanation for their stripes. Stripes which are particularly sharp and well defined on this species, which are gravy zebras. The gravy zebra is a very particular species of zebra. Only a few hundred of them still exist in Somalia and the north of Kenya. They're much taller and larger than the common zebra. Genetically, they're very different, so much so that the 2 species never interbreed. The gravy zebra has a huge head, large ears, and most important of all, about 80 stripes, while the common zebra has only 30 or so. As the animal kingdom evolved, stripes appeared independently in various breeds of horses, so they must have served some useful purpose. There are several theories as to what that may have been. One is that the stripes create an optical illusion that confuses predators when they attack. Another theory is that they protect zebras from tsetse flies for some reason. A third theory is that they serve to identify zebras from the same family, for as in the giraffe, no 2 coats are identical. Finally, there's a theory that as the gravy zebra lives in a hotter climate, its stripes act as a sort of Venetian blind, spreading the sun's heat in a particular way over the animal's body. Gravy zebras, like their cousins, the common zebras we see here, and giraffes, are herbivorous creatures. Here's a family of fine specimens. The word rhinoceros comes from the Greek rhino, which means nose, and koras, which means horn. This family of animals flourished in the Tertiary era, but there are only 5 species left today, 2 of which are found on the African continent. These animals from another era have massive bodies on short, powerful legs with 3 toes.